Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I got a 4-in-1 diffuser for you to check out.
This 300 milliliter essential oil diffuser is by InnoGear. It's got the milliliter markings on the outside. It's also got an airflow that's going to really help the diffuser work its best way. You just fill the water up to whatever level you prefer. You can't go past the 300 milliliter line. It's got a connection on the bottom and the buttons in the front. It comes with its own cord. You can plug it in anywhere. It's got a great little slit for the cord to slide right into. You can add any essential oil that you want. You can make your own scents. Air outlet is again going to make a big difference. And I like this personally in our bathroom. It not only puts out a wonderful scent, but also puts humidity. So it also is a humidifier. When it runs out of water, just make sure you unplug it and pour it out of the drain side so that no water goes into the air outlet. It says you should clean it after 3 times of use. Just anytime I'm going to refill it, I try and wipe it through and give it a good clean. This has different settings that you can put on how long it stays on. And then anytime you just hold the button down for 3 seconds, it will turn it off. It has a light button that goes through all of the different color options, or you can select and make sure it stays on whatever color you would prefer. This is not only aesthetically pleasing, but is also great if you have to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night. I really loved this, even to have this in my bedroom to add that extra scent. And when it's time to go to bed, you can easily turn off the light so it doesn't disturb your sleep.
It's compact, easy to clean, and adds such a wonderful scent to any room you put it in. And that's my point of view.